In this lecture, we're going to show how to use a tool Swept Boss Base. So let's go to the features, and here let's choose Swept Boss Base. Here we have two options, profile and pad. The first option is sketch profile and the second one is circular profile. So for a sketch profile, we have to choose sketch profile and then we have to choose a pad. And then this sketch will go along this pad and will create a model. Or we can go to circular profile, and for circular profile, we only have to choose a pad. And the sketch will be circle with the diameter that we set here. So we only have to choose a pad. And now let's choose this pad here. And we can already see the preview. The cross section, the sketch is circle. We can here increase the diameter like this. We can go to 5 or some other value. Let's click OK. And this is the result. And now, for example, instead of circular profile, we want to have some other profile. For example, this rectangle here. So let's go to the sweep, edit feature. And now let's go here to sketch profile. And now for a sketch profile here, we can choose this rectangle like this. And now let's click OK. And this is the result that we got. So this is the simple way how you can use a Swept Boss Base. Now let's show some advanced techniques in the Swept Boss Base. Let's go here to this one. Here we have this sketch profile, and here we have one pad, and here we have a second pad. Now let's go here to the Swept Boss Base. Let's go with the sketch profile. Let's choose this sketch here. And now for the pad, let's choose this one. And this is the preview of our model. And this is the preview of our feature. Now let's go here under options. Let's open the options, and here we have profile orientation. Now we have by the default follow pad. So this profile will follow this pad like this. And now, for example, if we click here and we choose keep normal constant, we can see how the end will change. So this profile, this cross section, the last one, is the same orientation as the sketch because we selected keep normal constant. If we go with follow pad, then we have a different orientation of the cross section at the end and at the beginning. Now let's go with keep normal constant. Now let's go here to profile twist. By the default we have none. Let's click here and let's go with specify twist value like this. And now we can control the twist with degrees, radians and revolutions. Let's go with degrees. Let's change this to, for example, to 60 degrees. And now we can see the twist here of our sketch like this. We can change the angle, for example, to 180 degrees like this. And now we got this result. As well, instead of degrees, we can use radians or revolutions. So this is the half of revolution. We can choose one revolution, 360 degrees. Now let's click OK. So this is the one possibility of the Swept Boss Base. Now let's go to the sweep, edit feature. Now let's go with the none here. Now let's go with the follow pad like this. Now let's go here to the guide curves. Let's open this. So here we have an option that we can choose some guide curve. For example, here we have some curve, and this curve is connected with this point on the sketch. Let's choose for the guide curve, let's choose this curve. And now we got this result. Let's click OK. And this is the result that we got with the Swept Boss Base. Now let's go again to the sweep to edit feature. And here we can add one or more guide curves. We can also add our guide curves here on the other side if we want. But here we have show sections. Let's turn this on. And now let's increase here the sections. And now we can see how the cross section changes along our pad. Like this. Let's click OK. So those are all possibilities that you can have with the Swept Boss Base.